Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the shelves. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a product that's been making waves in the beauty community. Introducing the L'Oréal Excel High Color H20 Tube in Red Violet, a must-have for anyone looking to add a vibrant burst of color to their locks. Now, before we get started, let me tell you why this product is the best red violet hair dye on the market. First off, let's talk about the formula. This hair dye offers multi-level lift in just one step, making it easier than ever to achieve your desired shade of red violet. Plus, it's a permanent hair color, so you can enjoy long-lasting results without the hassle of frequent touch-ups. But that's not all. This formula is also designed to be anti-breakage, which means it helps to strengthen and protect your hair while coloring. So you can say goodbye to brittle, damaged locks and hello to silky, smooth, vibrant color. Now, let's talk about the packaging. This product comes in a convenient tube format, making it easy to dispense and apply. And with 3 tubes included in each pack, you'll have more than enough product to achieve your desired look. And let's not forget about the color itself. Red violet is a stunning shade that's perfect for adding a pop of color to any hairstyle. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or simply switch up your look, this shade is sure to turn heads. So there you have it, folks. The L'Oréal Excel High Color H20 Tube in Red Violet is hands down the best red violet hair dye on the market. With its easy-to-use formula, anti-breakage benefits, and stunning color payoff, it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their hair game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on all your favorite beauty products. Until next time, stay fabulous.